my second part of the review for the F1 series F103 RC helicopter. This is where I fly it. It might not look very powerful right now because I've already flown it a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys it anyway.
Hello, bug.
It's the steadiest RC helicopter I have personally ever flown. I can ding it into the wall and it still stays up. Watch this. Okay. Look at that. I can touch it and flap it sideways and it doesn't fall out of the sky. Like all my other ones would, they would go like this and just slide out. But not with this one because it's so steady. The gyro and the cone and the propellers rotating a different way make it steady. And look how precise this turning is. And look at that. Okay, you can't see it down here now. And the LEDs make it really cool for night flying. That's a pretty good flight time. And another fun thing I like to do when it's at low battery, it's not at low battery yet, so I'm going to have to like turn the camera off for a second and I'll show you. My favorite thing to do when it's at low battery. Guys, check this out. Okay, the little guy, you can actually like drift it like crazy. That was a weird sound. See, I just smacked into a wall and nothing happened at all. I don't know why it's fun because it's really hard to do, but for some reason, it's just a blast to do. Because you can like just drift it like crazy. So, there it is right now. So like you can see that. Okay, this is my review. Got the flying part.